ABET. ABET is a word, it's a verb basically. We can use it as abetting a crime means to encourage or support something in doing something wrong. Particularly when we refer that somebody is supporting a criminal, we can say that they are supporting and aiding or abetting a criminal. So we can use it as like abetting a crime means encourage or support the crime, encourage or assist someone to do something wrong, or maybe appreciating someone like, okay, keep going on, we are with you. Encouraging or assisting someone to do a crime is called as abetting the criminal in performing the crime. We can use it as we are aiding and abetting this illegal traffic because we are breaking the traffic rule basically. So we can say that we are aiding and abetting the illegal traffic. He was not guilty of murder, but he was guilty of aiding and abetting others. That is why the person would be arrested. Also, she abetted the thief in his gateway. Did he abet the commission of a crime? Their actions were shown to abet terrorism. She is charged with aiding and abetting it. Like she got charged, although she was not a part of that crime, she didn't commit the crime, but what she was charged of because she supported the criminal to crime. If she would have not supported the criminal into the gateway, the thief might be caught up by the police. So she supported or aided the person, the criminal. That is why she abetted the crime. There is another use of it. Aiding a crime means helping someone else commit a crime. It simply help. It could be a financial help. It could be providing some with the weapons. Abetting means to encourage and incite a crime. So although abet doesn't necessarily needs financial support or maybe the like weapons support, it could be just supporting by word is supporting by using like by saying the word like we are with you. Shaking hands with a criminal is also abetting a crime, but aiding means like supporting along with providing, maybe funding them, maybe with the generally financial aiding is required in this case. But abetting means word support or making a handshake with a crime. We can use it like three auditors were accused of aiding and abetting the men charged with the fraud. So they were aiding, they were maybe shaking hands with him, maybe they were just aiding him like we are with you, you can go with the crime. They were taken to jail and charged with both aiding and abetting illegal immigration. She pleaded guilty, admitting that she aided and abetted the bombing plot. So, both activities collaborating with each other is called as aiding and abetting. But simple abetting means is encouraging the crime to happen. Thank you.